Hello everyone, welcome back to LEXI'S world. Today, guess what I'm doing? I'm gonna use some mushrooms that I have. I have whitewash mushrooms, so I clean them up and everything. So I'm gonna use these mushrooms. I'm gonna use 2 zucchini, alright? I'm gonna make a stir fry with just a zucchini mushroom stir fry. I'm gonna use 2 carrots. As you see, it's all clean and everything. And it's also considered a healthy meal. Alright? I have my peppers. I have 1 orange pepper. I have a red pepper. I'm going to use 2 tomatoes. I am going to use 1 red onion. I use the red onion for color, okay? And I'm going to make a nice sauteed vegetable. Alright? So let's get started. Before we get started, please do not forget to please like, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you. I'm going to start with the zucchini. I'm going to cut my zucchini. So here's my zucchini already. I have 2 carrots I'm going to use. My carrots and my zucchini. Alright? It's all ready. So I'll continue. So I have my mushrooms. I'll cut those up. So my mushrooms are all finished cleaning and cutting up. Alright? I'm going to use 1 red onion. I have my orange bell pepper. I have my red pepper, my red bell pepper. So I cut my peppers a bit big. I'll turn my stove off. So I have my tomatoes. I'm going to cut them big up first. So all my vegetables are here. I use virgin olive oil spray to spray my pan, right? So as you see, I'll turn my fire down. So what I'm gonna do, the first thing I'm gonna put here is my carrots, okay? I'm gonna add my onions. Add some virgin olive oil. So I put 2 tablespoons, okay? 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. I'm gonna use 2, but I just put 1 for now. I add a vegetable cube to this, alright? I will add another tablespoon of vinegar. What the vinegar does is keep the vegetables from going too saggy. If you want your vegetables to be a little bit on the harder side. So the next thing I'm going to add, I'll add my zucchini. Alright? So here's my 2 zucchini. I'll let it cook for a bit, and then I'll add the other vegetables. Alright, so this is just a stir fry that I'm making. So what I have here, I'm going to add it in. A teaspoon of garlic powder, a half of a teaspoon of seasoning salt, half of a teaspoon of black pepper, and I put a little bit of chili in here, just a tip of chili, and then I'm going to just add them in. So I mix it in, and I'll just add it, okay? I want to put another tablespoon of white vinegar, okay? Just to keep my vegetables from going saggy, okay? And I'm going to add my mushroom. I have my tomatoes, and I have my red and orange peppers, alright? So I turned it up because I don't want the water in it, so I'm going to add the balance of my seasoning here. And I'm going to add paprika. I didn't add any Scotch bonnet, but I did put some chili powder, so that's where I'm getting my heat from today, alright? My saute, I could put a teaspoon or a tablespoon of soya sauce here. Okay? So the vinegar keeps the vegetables from going too soft. I use a tablespoon of the soya sauce, alright? I'm gonna just squeeze some sea salt in here. So this is it. I don't want to cook the vegetables too much, so this is my sauteed vegetables, as you can see. You can eat this as a vegetables just like that, or you can add meat. It's all up to you, but this is actually really good by itself. Alright, so that's my sauteed vegetables. Alright, I did zucchini. That's the main part with the carrots. Alright, so there it is. Thank you for watching my videos. Of course, you see this didn't even take much time to cook. Make sure to throw in a little tip, like a tablespoon or two of vinegar. That'll keep your vegetables from going saggy, alright? If you want your vegetables crunchy, that's the way. If you don't mind it being saggy, you don't have to add the vinegar, alright? Thank you for watching my videos. As you can see, this is a very colorful. So that's what I'm looking for all the time, colors. Alright, so thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to please like, share, subscribe on my channel, and thank you.